some things just don't change. It's better when they stay the same, although the whole world knows your name. So I'm not picking states, they came to see you switch your game. Oh, shouldn't be difficult to explain just why you came back again. You hate the fame, love the game, cool as ice, you remain. Fuck them all, tell them all, eat shit, here we go again. Y'all looking like ABC. Fuck it, man. Not everybody want me back at once. Man, fuck it. You can get the dick, just throw me a ball sack, a nice spike a bitch, dog, fall back and learns fucking worms. You never see such a sick puppy, fucking a sick duck. I'm on my duck sick, mommy, and my nuts trick. Call me up trick, yummy. Bitch, you don't fucking think I know that you suck dick, dummy. You get your butt kicked. Fuck all the love shit, honey. Yeah, laugh when I call you a slut, it's funny. Shorty dance while I beat you to the beat. Fuck the words, you don't listen to them anyway. Yeah, suck a nerve, sucker, motherfucker, they get the sucker like Ellen John. Cause I'm just a mean cocksucker, this shit is on. Cause you ain't piss me off, now I'm sitting there and piss on everybody. Give a fuck if it's right or wrong. It's really ready to point ball. But take a look at Mariah, next time I inspire you to write a song, come on. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why I'm in it, just don't know. No. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows, blows. Oh, fucking, I'm loose cannon. Bruce Banner's back in the booth. Y'all are seeing ducks, I'm the only goose in it. I set the world on fire, pissing and putting it up. Stick my dick in a circle, but when I fucking around, motherfucker, let's see, pussy's winning. I'm kicking bitch in the cunt and making it quick. It sounds like a fucking whoopee cushion. Who the fuck is he pushing? Go ahead, fucking ahead and push me. I totally ain't no fucking way to shush me. Call me a faker cause I hate a pussy. Man the fuck up, sissy, Jesus, come squeeze up. Put your hose down, shady, ease up. Man, chill, nah I can't. God damn it, Rob is a landfill. Near the anvil, these are shooters you can't feel. And they opposite, the world will stop spinning and Michael J. Fox will come to a standstill. You're in your face, cause you're fake. Oh, what the fuck, that hurt, wait. Oh, what the fuck, I just got struck by lightning. Alright, then I quit, gotta give up, calling me on the menu. The pain you, this is for your sins, I clinch you. How I send. And just then the wind blew and I said, oh. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why I'm in, I just don't know. No. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows, blows. Oh. Will I be this way? Singing until my dying day, till I hang up the mic and it's time for me to say so long. Until they take the fucking bomb like a crazy ass. Don't say you don't like it, you can kiss my ass. You don't have to make a long slut, this slut, that one, this wrong. Oh, bitches don't like that. Women might go to and the human torch starts swimming, and I'm a no soul, don't compare me to the one of buns over there. It's like apples and oranges, pieces of plums, yeah. I'm bananas with the crank to store on gram, but I swear they're trying to diss me, I'll slaughter you. I'll put down on everything like everyone does with auto-tune. Last thing you wanna do is how me spit out a rhyme and say I was writing this and I thought of you, so I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why I'm in it, just don't know. No. I'm as cold as a cold wind blows, blows. Oh. I don't know what caused